It's HumbleFx again today. So today we are trying to trade on this account, and look at. I want to explain to you guys why we take this trade and why we are holding the trade. All right. So if you look at this chart, you see clearly why the trade is taking. That is the analysis on the account. Look at this is a trend line. Let me make it clear. So this trend line, I'm looking at this leg here, and then the leg right about it. See that price was trying to retest, was trying to play around here, right? So price has given us this trend line. So price, and again it came back and break that same trend line downside. All right, so this is my counter trend line. Remember, this is my counter. I call that a counter trend line. All right, so many people call it a different name, but me, I call it counter trend line because the trend line is going. We actually on an uptrend, but in this M15, this trend line is saying that we are going on a downtrend, a short downtrend, right? So now, and then if you let me zoom closely, if you look closely right about here, this is a rejection zone where price are not broken. If price should break this particular zone, then there are chances that the market is going to push up again and continue in the upward direction. That is, if price break this zone and break this counter trend line, then we are certain that the market is going to be pushing up, because up to the wherever it gets to, because right now there is nothing more to hold it if it breaks out of this particular zone, right? So that is why we want to take the trade on that zone, right? Because there are also chances the price will not break that zone. So now, where is our take profit levels? Right, we have a simple take profit level. The first TP, like I always say, is the nearest zone, right? The nearest zone is the TP. Somewhere here is this first TP, because that is the nearest zone. Then we have this particular place, and then that is how it continues, right? So we're just going to hold the trade and see how far we can get on this account. Remember, we are always trading on target, so we don't just trade random. We want to just get the target and go away from that chart. So right now for me, this account is $150 account. So if I get the account to $200, I think that is a good day for me, right? If I get extra $15 on this account, making it to be 200. If I get the account to $200, I think that's a good one for me today, right? So we don't need to trade and to make all the money in the market, because you don't know the chart pattern, the trade you take that is going to mess up everything I've been doing. So I'm going to be holding the market. There is a chance it has to come down to this zone that we marked here. There is a chance it comes down there, but there's also a chance it will break above and continue the buy. All right, so that is the two possibilities right about here, and then we are going to be taking a sell. Remember that this trade has been sent to the elite group already. We have sent this trade to the elite group, right? So you can also be a party of the elite group, so that you can be getting our premium signals every single day like this. So to join the elite group, you need to pay $10, and that is it. All right, so, and if you want account management or copy trading, they are the same. So send me a message on WhatsApp or on Telegram, so you get started. Your work is to fund your account with the amount you want to start with, but the least is $100. Except you cannot afford $100, you can start with $50. All right, so the bigger the account, if you have an account of $1,000 or $500, you're going to be expecting better profit than smaller accounts. All right, let's see what happens. Stay tuned.